Hello everyone, my name is Mary Joy Cabrera. I'm a student midwife of ISU Ilagan. Today I'm going to perform the Essential Newborn Care or EINC. The rationale for doing this is to reduce the mortality risk of newborn and also provide the quality care that the mother and newborn needs. And also provide the patient's privacy. Especially now that she will be given birth, and also for her to become comfortable and promote the successful delivery of the baby. And after that, I need to wash my hands and sanitize with alcohol. And also, I need to remove all the jewelry because it can be carrying microorganisms. The rationale for doing this procedure is to prevent the spreading of microorganisms, especially now that I will be handling the newborn that Now, I will put the two pairs of surgical gloves. So now, I will put the second pair of gloves. This is what we call double gloving. Ma'am, are you comfortable with your position right now? Okay, ma'am. Just relax and breath. Ma'am, inhale, exhale, push. Inhale, exhale, push. 1, 2, 3, push. 1, 2, 3, push. 1, 2, 3, push. The baby is out 12:13 p.m. and it's a baby girl. And after that, we need to dry the baby surely. Starting from the face, the head, going down to the trunk, and extremities for at least 30 minutes. And place the baby in front position above the abdomen of the mother or between the breasts of the mother. And after that, I need to check the umbilical cord and check for the palpation. After the palpation is stopped, clamp the umbilical cord using the plastic cord clamp. And 2 cm from the base. After that, I need now to apply the surgical clamp from the base of the umbilicus. I cut near to the plastic umbilical clamp using the surgical scissors. After that, we need to cover the head of the baby using this bonnet. And the dry blanket, we need to cover the baby with this. And after that, I need to remove the first pair of gloves. Then dispose. And after that, I need to deliver the placenta. And check the having bleeding and examining the perineum. So after 30 minutes to 1 hour, after birth, we need to maintain the skin-to-skin contact and also allowed to breastfeed. And after that, we need to administer the eye ointment of the baby. And next, we need to administer the vaccine, the vitamin K and hepatitis B vaccine for the baby in intramuscular. And also, we need to promote the roaming of the mother and the newborn. And the bathing can be done after 6 hours. So this is the important that the bath the baby immediately to prevent the hypothermia. And the next is to perform the hand hygiene and observing infection control procedure. The rationale for doing this is to prevent the spreading of microorganisms. And after doing the procedure, document all the data that we gathered and also the procedure that I have done. Thank you.